AmaBuccaneers aseveze ukuthi asesayinde abadlali abane ahead of the new season. Orlando Pirates have confirmed the signing of Chambani Lungu from Siwelele FC, Mthetheleli Mthiyane from Stellenbosch FC, Sibangani Zulu from Richards Bay FC, and Bohlale Ngwato from Siwelele FC. Thiwa-ke labadlali-ke yibo-ke abazobe-ke be-eda-ke laphayana i-value-ke in the upcoming season. Baphinde baveza-ke ukuthi they have also parted ways with Sipho Mbule, simaziyo-ke laphayana ku-MasterChef. Kuthiwa-ke inkontileka yakhe bavele bakhetha ukuthi bangabe-ke besayivuselela, and also yena-ke uBandile Shandu, who has been a loyal servant-ke yawo-ke ama-Buccaneers, and also yena-ke uKarim Kimvuidu, uMiguel Vieira esimazi ngaye-ke uGilberto, and-ke also-ke which was a shocker for some of the Orlando Pirates fans, nguye-ke uTsegofatso Mabasa. Bathi-ke labadlali-ke bayabonga kakhulu-ke ngesasasa-ke abalenzile-ke laphayana-ke ukuthi basize lona-ke iqembu liwine zona-ke iy'ndebe in the last few seasons. So-ke ama-Buccaneers are expecting-ke ukuthi-ke a-defende yona-ke i-Betway Premiership kule season ezayo, and they are already showing signs by signing for new players.